Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka your mom's favorite pizza boy, and this time I'm at it again with a follow-up to one of my most popular reviews, and a product I've been wanting to do for a long time. And since it's getting hot and it's time to start busting out those gel-based, I thought I might as well do a review of the Suavecito Original, or the Suavecito OG. Now you might be saying to yourself, Brandon, that's the Social Distortion variant. Now, this is the one thing about Suavecito as a brand that makes them very unique, is that their brand, their advertising, and their marketing is impeccable. They have a huge following for a reason. And if you were to go on the Suavecito Pomade website and look through, almost anybody could find something they would want, whether it be like a shirt, a cologne. Suavecito, for a positive and a negative, will pretty much put their name on anything.
It's like people only do things because they get paid. And that's just really sad.
But all jokes aside, regardless, they became big for a reason. And big name bands like Social Distortion and all sorts of other people want to pair up with Suavecito because they're well known. And their OG, their original formula, is pretty much in almost every barbershop I've been to and looked around at. So, I mean, it's big for a reason, so I wanted to do a review on it. And I have my friend at the Pomade Parlor on Instagram. I will put her link to her blog and also her Instagram below. She was kind enough to give this to me. It didn't work for her. As a matter of fact, it actually kind of hurt her scalp. So I said, hey, you know what? I didn't really want to buy some more Suavecito, but she gave it to me and I was like, perfect time to do a review. So let's get right into it. Like I said, this is the Social Distortion labeling, so I can't really talk on it, but all the Suavecitos for the most part come in kind of a white or black tin that's plastic like this, screw top, pretty convenient, really nice. I haven't ever broke one of these, but I hear that they can shatter. Clearly it's plastic, but if you take care of it and it's rolling around in your truck like mine does, it's not gonna really break. The here's the logo I was telling you about, the skeleton slicking its hair. Classic, iconic, I would say. Most people in the pomade realm, you see this, you're gonna say, oh yeah, that's Suavecito. This type, it's hard to see because it's in a black kind of plastic tin type thing, but it's like a cola looking type thing, a cola looking consistency, I would say. I'm gonna get a little scoop. I know I took a lot of scoops on my last review and I got kind of crucified for it, so we'll do a smaller one. The scent on the Social Distortion, if you want to know, kind of smells like an orange lemon, almost kind of like a cleaner, but it's nice and it's subtle. It's not as strong as the original Suavecito. If you're new to Suavecito, the scent on it is like a masculine cologne that isn't overly aggressive and will stay throughout the whole day. I really like the original Suavecito scent. It's really good, especially, and it pairs with almost anything. So if you're looking to get that, you're gonna probably like it. The breakdown, it's a gel base, so it's gonna break down really easy. And application is easy too. I'm putting this in damp hair because I want more hold. If you put it in dry hair, it will be a little less hold, but you can still get some good styling with it. Basically, if you put it in wet hair, it's gonna give you more of what you would call like a helmet hair type hold, where like you style it and it'll pretty much stay that way for the rest of the day. Now, some people really like that, and if you're going for really big styles, it's good. For me at work, I like it primarily for the fact that, you know, I can put this stuff in and it will hold, and I don't have to worry when I'm you know, going into someone's house setting up medical equipment about my hair falling out or the style falling out. Basically, once you put this stuff in, it's going to stay. And if you want to restyle, you can wet your comb down and comb it through. I usually will just wet my hands through and wipe it through my hair real quick. And that will basically just let you kind of, you know, touch up some stuff if it starts to stray out. Slicking it back, you can see it's like butter, really easy. Really simple to use this stuff. I mean, like I said, I don't have too many huge complaints about Suavecito, other than the fact that the ingredients, which I didn't go over, aren't necessarily the best. And also, I don't really, for me, and this is a personal thing, like I was saying, for me, I don't use gel types all the time because I find that they dry my hair out. Now, I will say, as compared to the Firm or the Firme or whatever you want to call it, the cool version, this I feel like leaves your hair feeling pretty normal. I didn't have issues, like especially if I just used regular shampoo, I didn't have issues when I washed it out with it being overly dry or straw-like. That's one thing I've always liked about the original over the original medium over the Firm, is that for me, I feel like the Firm, I don't know, like I said in my review, if you watched it, I feel like the Firm kind of left my hair feeling drier, whereas this stuff kind of leaves it feeling normal. Now, I wouldn't use this stuff every single day, but I have used it, I would say pretty much for a week straight almost now, and as long as I use conditioner, my hair didn't have any issues. I think that's gonna do it. Didn't take me very long. Styling with this stuff is easy, but like most gel types, it's gonna start firming up. This stuff doesn't firm up like super fast, but it definitely will firm up as you start styling it. If you have shorter sides down here, you can hit it with a boar hair brush. It'll lock it into place. The endurance on this is pretty good, although I did notice towards the end of the day, some of the sides will start to pop out a little bit. The main style didn't have to be restyled though, so endurance-wise, it's pretty damn good in hot weather. So my overall thoughts on this, like I said, it has a lot of good qualities about it, a lot more that make me favor it over the Firm. But at the end of the day, it still suffers from one fact, and that is that this is a lab-made orthodox gel type. Now, in layman's terms, basically, what that means is that it being a lab-made product, it being mass-produced, there's the ingredients in this particular aren't necessarily as good compared to some of the home-brewed iterations you could get out there that have similar hold and are healthier and conditioning for your hair. Now, I know that a lot of Suavecito enthusiasts out there say that they use it every day and it doesn't damage their hair. That's cool. A lot of people don't have issues with it. I mean, I don't have issues with the medium. I could use it a lot and not have an issue with it. But some people do. Some people's heads are sensitive to the ingredients that are in this. Whereas for the most part, the natural ingredients that you get out of home brewers, like mango butter and jojoba oil and stuff like that, it's gonna leave your hair looking and feeling a lot better. But what I can say is that for a gel type, you can't get anything really more iconic and than the medium. The scent, the hold, everything about this, the different types and scents you can get, it's pretty dang good for what it is. I like it. And like I said, they have a huge following because of just all the advertising, the marketing, the logoing. It's big for a reason. And, you know, I would be remiss to say that I don't often go to this when I have it. I don't go out on my way to seek it. But if I have it, I'll use the whole thing. So I don't hate it. If I had to give this a rating, I would give this a 3.9 out of 5. This is a good pomade. It's tried and true. It works. It works pretty well for what it is. If you need something that's going to hold your hair and have good endurance in a pinch, this is going to do it for you. If you're a Suavecito enthusiast and you like using this stuff all the time, I understand why. I just personally think that this isn't the end. I think that this is a good start for hair products. I just think that there's plenty better out there. But if this is where you choose to stop, you could do worse, honestly. All right, guys, let me know what you think. I'm sure the comments are going to be mixed below, but have a good one. And just for kicks and giggles, just in case you did watch this all the way through, let me know what your favorite scent of the Suavecito is. All right, guys, have a good one.